Hello, my dear students. This is Pushpa Varadrajan from Army Public School, Bangalore. In this video, you are going to learn bracket or simplification rules. First rule, while removing brackets, use BODMAS rule. That is, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Next, while removing bracket, follow the order. First, you have to remove line or bar or vinculum. Next, you have to remove small or round or parenthesis. This is the common brackets which we use in most of the sums. Next, you have to remove curly or flower or braces. This type of bracket is called curly bracket or flower bracket or braces. And next is square or big bracket. Third rule, while removing the bracket, if the expression or grouping is followed by negative sign, then change the sign of each term of the grouping or the expression. This third property, mostly we use in algebra. If the bracket is followed by negative sign, then you have to change the sign of each and every number or the term which is there inside the bracket. If it is followed by positive sign, you can just remove the bracket without any change in the sign. Using these rules, we are going to solve some sums from the textbook. That is, simplify. Simplify. It is simplify. Question. And question is 14 minus flower bracket, a square bracket, then 12, then flower bracket, 9 minus small bracket, 7, 6 minus 2 inside the bar bracket, then close it with the flower bracket and the square bracket. In this question, same question, all types of brackets are there. Therefore, first we have to remove the bar bracket or the line bracket. That is, remove bar bracket and write all the other numbers all the other symbols as it is. Now it is 14, write as it is, then square bracket, then 12 minus flower bracket, 9 minus small bracket, write as it is, 7. Now perform line bracket, that is 6 minus 2 is 4, and close it with the small bracket and the flower bracket and the square bracket. Then you have to remove small bracket, that is 14, 12 minus flower bracket 9, 7 minus 4 is 3, and then the flower bracket and the square bracket. Here 14 minus 12 minus 9 minus 3, and it is small bracket and the square bracket. Next step. You have to remove the curly bracket, that is 9 minus 3 is 6. That is, remove curly bracket, that is 14 minus square bracket, 12 minus 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6, and then close it with the square bracket. Then it is 14 minus 12 minus 6. Now remove square bracket, that is 14 minus 12 minus 6 is 6 is equal to 8. If there are all types of brackets in the same question, first you have to remove the line bracket or the bar bracket, and then the small bracket, then the curly bracket, then the square bracket, and all the other terms and the symbols as it is you have to write and you have to follow the order. Next question. This is also simplified where you are using the BODMAS rule. This question is also simplified. Question is 5 and half of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus half plus 5 by 11. And while copying the question, you have to be very careful. You have to note down the question properly, because if you miss out any symbol, you will not get the proper answer. Question is 5 and half of inside the bracket 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus half division sign. Here it is division sign and then 5 by 11. First step is you have to convert always a mixed fraction into improper fraction. It is 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 2 of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 half division sign 5 by 11. Here you have to you have to follow the BODMAS rule. That is BODMAS rule. You are following BODMAS rule. Therefore, first you have to remove the bracket. First you have to remove the bracket and all the remaining terms write as it is. That is remove small bracket. You have to remove small bracket first. Here 11 by 2 of, here 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15 and then 2 into 5 plus it is minus, it is 3 into 3 and then plus half divided by 5 by 11. 5 by 11. Next step is 11 by 2 of 10 minus 9 by 15 plus half division sign 5 by 11. Next step will be 11 by 2 and then half 1 by 15 plus 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 11. 5 by 11. See, first we have removed small bracket, then we have to convert half into sign. See, instead of write into. Instead of half, you have to write into. Therefore, 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 plus half division sign 5 by 11. And remove division sign. Remove division sign. That is 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 and then half, and division means it will become into. Now here 11 by 5, that is 11, 15 2s are 30, here it is 11 by 10, 11 by 10, LCM of 30 and 10 is 30 and then it is 1 into 11, that is 30 1s are 30 and here it is 10 3s are, it is 3 into 11. You will get 11 plus 11 3s are 33 by 30, that is 44 by 30 and both are divisible by 2. Therefore, it is 2 into 22 and 2 into 15. You will get 22 by 15. That then you have to convert this into improper fraction. Improper fraction into mixed fraction, that is 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, and then you are going to get 15 7 by 15, 7 by 15, 7 by 15. Here in this video you have learnt, while removing the bracket, follow BODMAS rule, that is brackets of addition, brackets of BODMAS means division, multiplication, and then addition and the subtraction. If there are all types of operations in the same question, then first you have to remove the bracket, then convert half into, then the division, then the multiplication, then addition, then the subtraction. Here first I have converted this into improper fraction, and then addition. Here we have done we have removed the bracket, then instead of off we have written into, then the division, and then the multiplication, then the addition. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.